In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to directly apply to become a part of Temu, especially if you're not already involved with Pinduoduo. This process is pretty straightforward, so let's dive right into it. So your first step in this journey is to send an email request to seller@temu.com. This step is crucial because by reaching out directly, you're signaling your interest and intent to become part of the Temu community. Now you might be wondering why you need to do this. Well, the reason is that Temu requires an invitation code for you to gain entry. This is especially important if you aren't already a part of Pinduoduo, which is Temu's parent company. By sending a request directly, you're essentially asking for access to this exclusive network. When drafting your email, be concise yet clear. Start with a professional greeting, then introduce yourself and explain your interest in joining Temu. It's always a good idea to include a brief background about your business or interests relevant to the platform, but remember to keep it succinct. Express your enthusiasm for becoming a part of Temu and politely request an invitation code. This demonstrates your eagerness and professionalism, making a positive impression from the start. Now, an important tip here is to double check your email for accuracy before hitting the send button. Make sure you're using the correct email address and that your message is free from any typos. It's always good to not only review for grammatical correctness, but also to ensure you're conveying your enthusiasm effectively. After sending your request, it might take a little time for Temu to process and respond, so a little patience will go a long way here. Use this time to prepare your business or platform by ensuring all your information and resources are up to date. This way, you're ready to hit the ground running once you receive that all-important invitation code. While Temu reviews your request, it could also be beneficial to learn more about the platform and how it operates. Familiarizing yourself with their guidelines and community standards can give you a head start and possibly even increase your chances of acceptance. This bit of research can provide valuable insights and help you align your goals with the platform's ethos. And there you have it, a simple, direct approach to begin your journey with Temu. By reaching out via a well-crafted email, you're taking the first step toward expanding your business horizon. Once you've received your invitation code and are ready to start, you're set to explore the range of opportunities that Temu can provide. We trust this information helps streamline your application process. Thank you for watching, and best of luck.